So you learn.
I'm from USA. USA means
इसको लीजिए इनको लीजिए
Sangeet Academy.
हाँ give it
And I will show some.
एक बार और घर में प्रैक्टिस किया तो विद इन 3 months और 10 classes में आप 10 songs सीख सकते हैं. So इसके बारे में you can see my photo एक बार this you can take it. This is myself as a civil engineer. That code git shoot देखिए this is myself. So ऐसा comfort life है. This I am going to give it to you. You take it. ठीक है. Asthma will go. This is good for health. So mainly this is the flute है बांसुरी. This is sound hole. This is air holes. Sound hole में ऐसा करके you have to do like this. If you do 5 to 10 times, you will get the sound, uniform sound. Once you get the sound now, this is say 6 holes में ये दो बंद करके you have to do it. This is sa. This is re. Ga. Ma. Pa da ni sa. If you learn just 7 letters, 7 swaras, आपको 50% फ्लूट आ गया बस. से पूरा दुनिया ये 7 letters में है. देखिए I am guitar from USA. USA means Universal Sangeet Academy. I am basically civil engineer. 25 years I worked as engineer. Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Andhra, North India. My last project is Tata Nano car project. So 25 years I earned a lot. I enjoyed a lot. I invested a lot. I lost a lot. पूरा हो गया मेरा लाइफ में. At the age of 55 now I am learning. I am happy. इससे बहुत बड़ा बेनिफिट मुझे हुआ. इलयराजा टोल्ड म्यूजिक सीखने में जेल में टेररिस्ट भी साधु बन जाएगा. So that point I liked it. So I left my engineering. Now I am learning at the age of 55 and I am teaching for 1 rupee fees. Per day 1 rupee fees, 100 days 100 rupees fees. So Vijay Chowk mein I am here daily 2 to 6, Monday to Friday. So Saturday Sunday I am in Andhra Bhavan and India Gate full day. So anytime ours is 8 AM, anytime music. In these timings you can come and learn it. 3 instruments: guitar, keyboard, flute. 10 songs plus basics. Within 3 months 10 classes में 10 weeks में I will teach. बट सीखने के बाद मेरा गुरु दक्षिणा 101 रुपये देना है 1 साल का या 100 डेज का फीस. बाद में एक फ्लूट आप ब्लाइंड को डोनेट करना है. यू हैव टू टीच ऑन ब्लाइंड पर्सन. आफ्टर यू फील हैप्पी you should sponsor 1 flute to 1 blind. That is our concept. So this is Dr. Tyagi. Is from, you can take his opinion. Dr. Tyagi, introduce कीजिए आपके बारे में. ये learn बराबर है. एक हफ्ते में लिखिए बराबर है. Anyway, this I am going to give it to you. You take it. ठीक है.